Hello. So my today's topic is, what is going to be a perfect gift for my twin flame. Maybe you are about to meet them again after a break, or maybe it's you are having a good relationship, a healthy relationship, and some event, some major event of your life, maybe some birthday or some celebration is happening, and you want to give your twin flame the perfect gift, because when it comes to your counterpart, is something that is like you are going to gift yourself, you are going to gift your soul. So you have to think, or you have to start feeling from that perspective. It's not that you are just giving something externally, because more than the material thing, your twin also going to energetically receive what was your feeling when you selected that gift. So if you feel like it is just like the common gift that is available, and you just take it and give it, maybe they will not be able to connect with it, because for your twin, they will always and constantly try to connect with the feeling. Even they can receive that feeling in that material. They can receive your energetic feeling in the writing, so they can do that. So they understand you on a deeper level than what you can see externally. So to make any special event or any celebration beautiful, the exchange of gift are like, like you are some treasuring some memories, right? And anytime you come back over a period of time, when you see the gift, you will always connect back to that feeling very naturally. So how are you going to select the gift? So the simple way, we always recommend, whenever you are going to do anything with your twin flame, you first do it energetically. And for that, you don't have to connect with your twin, you have to literally connect with yourself, because at any given point of time, your desires and their desires are vibrationally same. So you will get to know, just by tuning into your heart, you will get to know what your twin is desiring now. And then you can ask God for external validation. You'll get some vibration of gift, like in the form of maybe some materialistic, or maybe some jewelry, maybe some you know some external gift like wallet or belt or whatever it is. You'll get that image internally, and then you can always confirm. Always it is good that you confirm with God, yes, so that you become sure that this is what it is you want to give it. And don't and also second thing, don't do the thing that is related to, giving something related to heart, or just to represent that you love them externally. That may not be necessary, because they know that you love them on a very deep level. And if you can get more into your soul essence, you will understand the life purpose energy, and it would be very pleasing if you can gift something that is related to their or your both of yours life purpose. So like if you both of you like to do music together, or you are in the field of music, so any gift in that field that will bond you deeper together. Or even if you see, you are actually into the place where you are actually opening up and sharing yourself more out in the world, so in that situation, coming out with something that is going to make you look better externally, so in that situation you can gift something that is like some attire or some jewelry, some accessories externally. So depending on the vibration that both of you are currently are, and you respond to that gift, like to that vibration, and you bring in that gift, that will make your twin feel really happy and connected, and you will always get a response that yes, this is what I was desiring, and that will make you feel complete. Because you might have seen in the past relationship, if you have, or maybe around you, like you give some gift to people, like to their girlfriend or boyfriend, and you will not see that magnetic response from them. It will be like, okay, why did you bring this, I don't like this color good, or they will not be that happy. But with your twin flame, I will say it will be very easy, because when you are giving a gift, you always wanted that appreciation or acceptance. Acceptance is the main thing that you are looking for, right? When you are giving a gift and they accept it from their heart, and sharing with you the moment that yes, this is exactly what I am looking for, right? So and when you want to have that moment for yourself, right? Because in any given situation there will be a give and take, like energy exchange. So it will be like you will give that gift, the external gift, and then you will energetically receive that acceptance from them. So that's how you feel complete. And rather than understanding or googling, normal thing is what to gift, so don't do that. You can just sit with yourself, be clear where are both of your relationship now currently, what is the current phase that you are going through, or anything that represents your presence with them. Anything that they recognize that yes, this is you, and you identify that as an external gift. Like for example, if you like to write, and then a gift in the form of a pen or a book or any notepad or anything like that sort, and like a special one, like customized one. So in that will help them, like to always recommend, the moment they will touch that gift, they will not only remember that it has come to you, come from you, they will also remember that, like maybe currently they are not recognizing that as their life purpose energy, or they are not recognizing that it is their passion also. Maybe after some days they will recognize, oh wow, this is what I also want. So this is how you actually communicate, your essence to them. So they will connect with that. Like you will also get to know, how do you know this, I like it. Or maybe after some time they will just realize within themselves, okay, maybe this is what is the answer that I have always been looking for, and how do you know this? And they will start going deeper with you to understand, what is that within you, and they will explore or commit deeply with you, and through that energy, just by exchanging a gift. So you can actually leverage those opportunities to establish more communication, and also to start communicating that you are twin flame, rather than just directly going and saying that I am twin flame. Maybe these are the avenues you can use to communicate, see who you are, that's what I am. So you can do that by using these methods also. So and the more and more you keep exchanging in a form of, like in a healthy form, exchange is like, they are in a situation to receive, and you give them unconditionally, rather than expecting anything. So both things balanced when you exchange that gift, that actually create a energetic exchange between you also with that materialistic. Like they establish that energetic connection between both of you. Like anytime they will come across that gift, they will remember you, they will connect with your energy. So these are the areas that you can safely get into to connect with your twin flame, rather than getting into direct interaction when they are not comfortable with it and all that. And then slowly through that also you will get to know more about them. They will share more about them when they receive anything from you. Hope this will help on your journey as well. Thank you.